Hey, so video number 2. This is Lee and I'm at the beginning of the trail. I mean, you can't really see the top of the mountain there because I'm over on the more sloping side where the walking trail goes up. So this is a perfect place to talk about starting a YouTube channel because when you go on any journey, it's helpful to know where you're going and why you're going. I'm going up this mountain, because it's beautiful to do and it's an incredible day. It's about 84 degrees Fahrenheit here in Atlanta, summertime. And it's just it's a good workout, but also it's just a great venue for me to use to do these videos with, right? So I've got a goal. In my own business, YouTube, I have a goal with YouTube. And YouTube is traffic, YouTube is branding, YouTube is building the list, and from that list selling our products. That's my goal. You need to think about what you want, what you're doing and why you're doing it. So a lot of people use YouTube in a whole ton of different ways, and I'm now a big student of YouTube. So I look at a lot of YouTube videos. A lot of influencers, a lot of people who have way bigger accounts than I do. Probably a bigger account than I ever will because their niche is so much larger than mine is. But so there are a lot of things that for me would not work, and I have to be aware of that. In other words, I can't really do the goofy unboxing kind of video, where the person is kind of a comedian and they unbox a, thing and then make a big deal out of that and all that stuff. That really won't work for me in this business and my audience. What works for me is more of a educational type video, making things fun, reaching out to people, making things accessible, that kind of thing. So you need to know really, it's kind of like what your shtick is, okay? What you're doing and why you're doing it. It also, quite frankly, helps for, well, not quite frankly, you need to know the niche. I mean, what are you trying to sell? I mean, your YouTube channel probably should not be selling health and wellness products one day and then, let's say, internet marketing products the next day, that kind of, or guitar lessons the next day, right? I mean, those three things really aren't that well connected. You need to focus in on why you're doing it. The reason of Lee, well, I just want to make money, I mean, that's a good reason to get started, but that's not enough specificity to actually build a channel around. If you don't know what you're doing, that's fine. I think it's good to get started, but I think early on you need to focus in on why you're doing what you're doing and what you expect to get out of it, because then you'll get so much more out of it. So that really is the next step for you if you haven't done that already. The next step is figuring out the why and figuring out in broad strokes what the channel is going to be about. All right? And once you do that, then we'll talk about what you do next on the next video.